Do you want people to promote your product for you? They get paid automatically when they bring a sale. Yes, this is affiliate marketing that you know. However, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own affiliate program. If this is something you would like to do, I'll encourage you to stick with me to the very end so that you don't miss out on any important part of the video. So, now what are even the benefits of having your affiliate program? Number one is that it's automated. It doesn't really need your presence for you to make sales. All right, people are promoting your product for you even without you being there. Okay. Number two is that it has zero marketing cost. All right, you don't need to be paying for ads. People are already doing that for you. People are already promoting your products for you, your services, and so on. The only thing you just need to do is to offer them commission per sales. All right, so the site we are going to be using for this video is Seller. Okay, so why Seller? Seller supports different currencies. It has automated payments. It has instant product delivery if it's a digital product. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead over to seller.co. Okay, so all you just need to do is to sign up or sign in into your Seller account. So I already have an account. I'll just go ahead and log in. Okay, so you will have a dashboard like this, and then all you just need to do is to go to this menu icon here, click on it, and then you want to add a product. If you don't have a product on your seller, just go ahead and add your product. So after adding your product, you want to go to affiliate, click on affiliate, and then I have some affiliates I've added already. So just click on add affiliate. Okay, you can also add bulk affiliates. Let's say you have a list of affiliates you want to add, you can add that, but however you need the pro plan. So I'll just click on add affiliate here. So let's say you have done your promotions and then you want to add affiliates. Just first of all, if it's for all your products, you can just go ahead and do that. But if you want to add affiliate for a specific product, just click on the drop down icon here and click on single product. So you'll be required to select the product that you want to. So let's say I want to promote this product, and then I'll just go ahead and add the email address of the affiliate. Okay, so let's say, and then you can select the percentage commission you want them to have. Okay, so let's say you have a $10 product. All right, if you select, let's say 20% commission, they are going to earn $2 when they make sales, while you keep $8. Okay, so it just depends on you and the kind of commission you want to input. So, and then it also depends on how the demand for that product. Okay, so if you actually want to encourage your affiliates and make them promote your products more, it's good if you make the percentage higher. So let's say I can say, let's say 40%. Okay, and then if affiliates facilitate sales for subscription / membership products. Okay, so this option is if you have recurring payments. For example, you have a product that renews, let's say monthly. So if you want affiliates to keep on earning on that particular product, you can just leave this tick. But if not, you can just untick this. Okay, however, if they refer other persons, they will still earn commissions. This one is just limited to recurring payments. Okay, so you just need to click on add affiliate. Seller will automatically send them an email with their affiliate link. However, you can also decide to send it to them maybe via WhatsApp or via, you can also send it to them privately via their WhatsApp. Okay, so just click on add affiliate. Oh, I made a mistake. It's an email address, Gmail. Okay, so you can see the list of your affiliates, and let's scroll down. Okay, so the list of affiliate links will appear here, and then you can see the product type, the affiliate username, the commission, the affiliate link, so you can copy this link, send to them. You can see the status, the views, so they can know if this person is actually promoting or not. You can see the number of sales, and then you can see if it supports recurring payment, and then you can also go ahead, click on this menu if you want to edit. If you want to edit the affiliate rules, you can just click on edit, and if you want to deactivate it or delete the affiliate, you can just go ahead and do that. Okay, so that is it, and that is how to launch an affiliate program for your business. My name is Isaac Matt, and I'll see you in another video.